Okay, so we were right here. So that's why S, it becomes son in this case. And if you notice, all of my verbs in here are S, so they are all need to change to son when they change to plural. Okay, so we have this. That's my first example. Okay, so the next one is telling you nuestra, and nuestra means ours, and then it's describing it as being black. And then remember now that when we're using nouns in Spanish, every noun in Spanish is going to be either feminine or masculine. So the same as the adjectives, right? So negra in this case, it will be describing a noun feminine word, like for example, my dog or my cat. So let's say my cat in this case, and I'm going to put nuestra gata es negra. So gata is the feminine form of cat in Spanish. Gato with the O, it will be the masculine form. So nuestra gata es negra. Our cat is black. And then in here, I will put the plural version of it. So how do I change it to the plural? Here, this is what we're doing. Sorry guys for the sounds on the computer. Okay, so nuestras, I'm changing from right here, this one, making it plural, right? I'm just adding the S. So nuestras gatas, right? Gatas is becoming plural. S is changing to son, and then negras, because it needs to become plural, also the adjective, okay? So now, let's do the other one. Think about something red that you have, and you're gonna put it right here on the blank. Because we're talking about something that is yours that is red. Now, let me think about something that we have discussed. Okay, I'm gonna use the word lápiz. Tu lápiz, I'm put the accent mark on that. Lápiz es rojo. So that will be the singular version of this, right? Tu lápiz es rojo. Now, lápiz is masculine, rojo is masculine. You have to still have that consistency, right? So let's make this plural now. So I'm gonna go with tus. I'm making tus plural, right? Now I gotta change lápiz to lápices. And lápices change a little bit when it becomes plural. So lápices with C instead of Z. And then we have the change from the verb from S to son, and then rojos becomes plural, okay? Then we have the next one is nuestro. Nuestro is changing, not changing yet, sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. So we're talking about here, nuestro something as pequeño. Okay, so pequeño means small, but it's something that is ours, right? So pequeño, in this case, what we'll be talking about, let me see, I'm gonna say brother. Let's use the word brother. So nuestro hermano, oopsies, sorry. Hermano es pequeño. Okay. Now I gotta make that plural. So it'll be nuestros hermanos son pequeños. Okay, so I have all my centers. If you notice, I change nuestro to nuestros, hermano to hermanos, es to son, pequeños to pequeños. So all of my sentences have changed to plural now. Change this to red and this to underline. Okay. I'm gonna do one more, and then I'm gonna move on with the next part. And you can finish the rest by yourself. And always, if you have questions, just let me know and I will answer them for you. Okay. So again, let's do this part. Okay. So we're looking for something that is blue in this case, and then is his. So I'm going to talk about the bird, since it's a vocabulary word for la familia. So I'm going to say su pájaro. Su pájaro. Azul. Then we're gonna make this plural. So it will be changed to sus pájaros son azules. Okay. There you go, guys. You have the change right there. You just have to keep going with this. Let me see. Don't worry about the accent marks. If you cannot put them on your computer, it's fine. Okay, so in this part, I already did how to fill in the singular and plural version of it. Now I'm going to go with the last part. Okay. Then the last part is basically saying to translate. How do you say this with this word right here? So nietos, in this case, it will be plural, right? And it's saying that you're going to use yours. So yours, your nietos means grandchildren. You don't have grandchildren yet, but this is what we're going to translate here. So it will be sus, because it's the plural version of it. And it will be translate to your grandbabies, okay?
Are you done?
No, I'm not finished, baby. Can you please go upstairs?
Daddy's going to work.
I know. Give me 1 second. Okay, so the last one right here. Sorry about that, guys. I'm going to finish with this one. So in this case, and we're using perro. So perro. So perro in this case will be ours. So it will be nuestro, the singular form of it, because perro is singular. And I misspelled this. Come on, give me a second. Nuestro perro. Sorry. And that's basically what you're going to be doing in this part. You just have to basically translate what each of these ones mean and then fill in the blanks. I'm going to do this one just because I don't want you to get confused. It has two. But his and hers, it basically translates to su. So it doesn't really matter if in English it has two. In Spanish, it only has one. Okay. Really hope that you guys understand how to complete this. If you have any questions, please write me an email or let me know through Canvas. Thank you so much, guys.
You need to hold this and then put this one.
Bye-bye.